Hey guys, welcome back to another edition of Random Bag of Stuff from China Bazaar. Again, I'll explain what this is. There's a store in Pigeon Forge and in Gatlinburg called China Bazaar, and mainly they sell fantasy swords, fantasy knives, throwing stars, fidget spinners, flags, silly redneck stuff. But there's a random bag of crap that they put together, and it's $10. And Heather and I get one every time we come to Gatlinburg or Pigeon Forge, mainly because it's fun to do, but secondarily because they're still hurting from the fires and people are still trying to build and get back on their feet, and so putting money in the system here is a good thing. So if you ever come this way, as far as the Pigeon Forge or Gatlinburg, we suggest you do this at least once, because it's fun, but it also helps the economy. Okay, so as you can tell, this bag is very small compared to other bags I've gotten, but I decided to go small. Sometimes I think they try to, like in the big bags, you get not very good stuff, and so I'm thinking maybe in the small bags there's really awesome stuff, but I could be really wrong, but we'll see. All right, here you go. I think we already have two of these, Heather.
Well, we have way more than two.
Well, two of the yellow ones.
Yeah.
So there's another fidget spinner for Heather's collection. Here, I'll put it over here so we'll know what we got. Another one of these knives. Usually these are black, and they come with a little keychain thing on it, but this one's gray, no keychain. Still fun to open envelopes with. A shotgun shell. Oh, a shotgun shell knife. Yes. Yes, please. I'm trying to get it open. I can't get it open one hand. Hold on. Gotta put you down for a second. Alright, there you go. Shotgun shell knife. Which is super awesome.
You would think there'd be like a little button to make it swish out.
Yeah, I don't see any button on it. Yeah, I don't see a button. That would be nice. Alright, let's see. And it feels like this is it. Last thing. I think this is another knife, but seems like maybe a nicer knife. So 3 knives and a fidget spinner. I'm not sure we got anything better in this one than we did in the big ones. I'm trying to get this out. Alright. There's a snake. Is that a skull? I think. This is what looks like a switchblade, but I don't think it opens like a switchblade. Let's see. I'm trying to figure out how to open it. Oh, wait. I think you have to hit this and it'll open. Hold on. Or not. I don't know how to open it. We'll figure that out later. Anyways, there's our random bag of stuff.
Probably the lamest one we've gotten.
Yeah, this is pretty lame, but you lose some, you win some kind of thing, so those are the facts of life.
You take the good, you take the bad.
You take the good, You take the bad, you take the good, you take the bad, you take the good, and you take the bad. You take the good, you take the bad, you take the... Okay, never mind. All right. See you guys later. Bye.